Power lines.
Here we
Look,
go.
This is across from Maddie's school.
This is right here, Maddie's schools. All those trees there are all down.
Look at the power lines.
Oh gosh, look at this.
That's snapped.
Yeah, I can't.
Oh, they're making us go to the right.
Okay, we'll have to. You can go around that way. Let's see. This is the way to our house. They've got this totally blocked off because they've got major trees down on it. And then this is right in front of Maddie's school. You can see it's all snapped. Obviously, this is right where the tornado came through. And
There's Maddie's school.
Here are the power lines.
Oh, they said it hit our school.
Oh
my
just
God!
lost
Look
some
at
of
our
this.
playground.
Oh gosh.
Oh, look at your playground.
The playground just tore it up.
Oh my God! We're not gonna be on there for a while.
Twisted the metal up.
Did.
Oh.
Is it through here? Is that what we're doing? Why is everybody turning in here? Just the detour?
No, that's not gonna get you out.
Well, why is